me pacho, wo artist ne ho te say.
Oh, Nyamiadum, SHATTA WALE, or yes, strong. You know, SHATTA is that artist, or no, Onyi Kopo, Moni Nkosro.
Bandana.
I know, right?
Bandana from Ghana.
From bandana to SHATTA WALE, the guy keeps getting stronger by the minute, and it is amazing. Osheni, Onosuni Genia, he's gone through the male, he's gone through the good, he's gone through the bad, but he's still here, still influential and still active. And you know, the for his life. We can only praise the Unya Hodim Bebre, Nyansa Bebre, music wisdom, Nona Untimi, and Kosunya Deoeno forever.
Oh yeah. Yeni ono de chese she mpusu no kwa no be connecting.
That she is shaking, she is shaking. Unless he doesn't put his mind to do it. If he puts his mind to do it in Kwandia, obey to me, I the opesi or yebia. I know that I can trust you on that. Say, or castle obey in Kwandia, no matter the obstacles, obey to me, I.
Also, it's no wonder say yes, the best of the same feather flock together. You understand what I mean? Best of the same feather flock together. It's just say, I don't know, say etibia or was on hey. Nana no walk feel it independence square the whole area. Hey, easy. Anyway, I am Munche industry practitioners no style no. I am Munche. No, be a soon yini. Yes, I am sunny yini mum.
Mamika will show you to say every day SHATTA extra industry no the omunyo name boom. Ebia send your canon omun tiasie. And now say approach and energy or the canon. I a moment who say this is what SHATTA is telling us to do. And then I a woman who is saying to qua. But I am to quarantine a month for another Dibia SHATTA new beacon, Dibia SHATTA Bofu. I am not Buffy and I am yes on new beacon. Only say a quite great daha. Wow. But I quite Ghana no car only Pacono. So no one can who your face would intro. And then I say, oh, money voice, Mr. Kakra, and I say, shut up and
deja. Any not team for no mutiasi no. And then I am moon shishan in a way, yes, you betiasi. Anna,
and now for some time. I am handling more of his communication, especially in the media. Because we know what he wants to communicate, and we know the emotions are attached into your area when he's communicating, and people don't get it because he has felt it more than I can even feel it.
Wow.
And so no or can definitely emotions are the same. No, me pastor emotions mean same. Because or no what feeling at the end. He's reporting to me, but he felt it directly. I am getting the information indirect from him. It's an energy, not the same. No, definitely, it will not be the same as my energy.
I understand.
Exactly.
Wow.
So now it is one of the things that SHATTA will be ascending for banners. Officer Casa one Maca's daddy. Or the radio chili.
Wow.
Then I can come forward and talk about it now. And so far, I can tell you
it's going great. It's going great.
Yes, it has brought enough positivity around the brand, and we thank God for strength and nothing.
Wow. Yeah, there are there for your life. For your life. I mean, baby, Abekobia will contribute positively. Na me a testament of that. And Tineradin Koswa and Faunweche na on show. And then Good Friday. Brasami, then our woman SOMPA delighted here for me. Sure, so what I mean, there's something on your heart you would wish people would know. Today being Good Friday in Tieja. May they quite say, I mean, Fatuja, no biante.
All right, let's even ask it. The mechanic said, if you are Simhano, especially in today's world, the na want me and focus. Na ubetie and sema a month for eka around you are. trust me, you wouldn't be able to make any progress in life. Because at the idea of the biano, obedient chain air kasa. In fact, only Pacosa or Tiasia, fair on Tiasia or Kasa, and fancy ne OTA SOMPA delight. Unim agenda no producers fire. But who know be a concern why is Abner doing this on an Easter Friday? And but only be a Williampo. So my message to people who are listening to SOMPA delight this afternoon. And maybe as you know, distractions in the door. It comes from everybody, including all your contacts on your phone.
That's right.
And you know, Uti Ubuso baby here. Making sure that there now a papa a legal. When you send your money, we are the Obia can be you anything. Sometimes the people can say, oh, you are arrogant, you are proud, you are disrespectful, and all. But trust me, nobody has your interest more than you have for yourself.
That's right.
Obia your interest. Oh, dear. And all the time, it should be your interest first and not people's interest or more catch. I want to leave this message here. Be focused, ignore the distractions, now making sure say go now what set Odon Sabakoka na yen to be celebrated. The good thing is when you ignore all these distractions now, which you could do top war, these people will come and sing your praises.
I tell you.
Yes. Today, how many people are not singing SHATTA WALE's praises? And then people be challenge SHATTA WALE ya dear SHATTA WALE but maybe so more dear now say but and then when people see his achievements out of music he has been able to buy a mansion at Trazaco. Look at the kind of cars the luxurious life is living as a celebrity. Now I am but 10 times no. Yeah, sure, say I'm not what Branty, right? Keep your eye on the
and if I isn't now baby and if I became no asemna wakano asemna no wakano now baby I became no just for when he's senior yeneso. And I love something you said. Also Obia any interested in ya woo yet said ya woo be interested in a dear into the sawa fake.
Advice.
I know, right?
Other things go too far about fake.
Then you say, "Ego how many cry?" Wow.
I put on the man interest. 80%.
80%. I tell you. Wow. I mean, it's a good message for Good Friday. It's a good message for Good Friday. And tonight, na me adwene nkonye so who believe in it no definitely or chinebe no ebeso ababia ma ne na onyi no ono no ba bejiedi. And you know what you're talking about, just yesterday I chanced on a video of Wodemaya. Now or kase or starting ne videos now in Nankofushin. In fact, he was doing it with a certain guy, na guy in the craft ferry say, Nkofo attack you money at the intio free HC, ne Wodemaya, okra diplomatic passport.
Good.
And untin kawan yire who anko swanya, and uncle Tieni Uncle Kanti, and no asemna na wakano. Asemna na wakano, a wonderful thing to hear from you. Samyflex. On SOMPA delight into medawasi na me de enchia emu odin me team na yes ye chia SMkin.
Obete. I'm probably after an hour.
That's right. That would be wonderful. Me